Ferdinand Tamulto, 18, from the province of Isabela. The Sangguniang Kabataan needs reformation and not abolition. The society's bedrock is founded on the principle that the youth is the hope of our fatherland. How can we forward empowerment to this sector of the society if we cannot manage to give them the moral and ethical standards of what a future leader should be? How can we strengthen the foundation of our society if we will not act to preserve the generation that will hold our future? The youth sector is crucial in the achievement and attainment of our national goals, giving them a first-hand experience and inculcating in them the value of good governance and ethical leadership through the SK program is one of the best ways of ensuring the continuity of this. We have to reform the SK in a way that it would be more favorable to the youth who will hold the offices. The traditional system of SK is not suitable for the current situation of the majority of those who held office, considering that they are still students. We have to reform it to give more light to their responsibility and to discharge their duties and functions to the best of their abilities. Hindi magiging solusyon ang pagbuwag sa sangguniang kabataan. Ang pagbuwag sa katiwalian, sa korupsyon, at sa maanumaliyang institusyon ng ating lipunan, kasama ang mga kabataan ang siyang solusyon. Bilang isang bansa na nakasalalay sa pundasyon ng demokrasya, nararapat lamang na bigyan natin ng boses ang mga kabataan. Naniniwala ako sa Sangguniang Kabataan na ito ay isang institusyong makakabataan at maka-Pilipino. Naniniwala ako sa kakayahan ng kabataang Pilipino na maglingkod sa kapwa sa abot ng kanyang makakaya. Isulong natin ang karapatan ng kabataan, isulong ang Sangguniang Kabataan.